Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? My name is Miss Sadaf and I am taking your maths period. Today is Thursday, 2nd July 2020 and we will learn about table of 2. I am here to help you make you understand that the concept of multiplication. Today I am taking some sticks with me and I am dividing them in groups. Do you know about what is the meaning of group? Yes, group means things which are in pair. Okay, tell me, how many part or which body part do you have in pair? Yes, your eyes, your ear, your legs, your hands are in pair. So, in table of 2, we will add these ice cream sticks in pairs and then we will complete our table. It is so easy to rhyme the table of 2, like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, but we are not able to understand that what is the logic behind multiplication. I will tell you about how we will add or we will do the table of 2 or we will learn the table of 2 with the help of this fun. I hope you will enjoy a lot. Okay, students, on my board, have you seen the ice cream sticks here now? Yes. Okay, have you seen the number of groups? How many groups? 10 groups here now. Okay, I will write here now. I also write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's a table of 2. Today we will learn about the table of 2. So that's why I will write here now 2. We will multiply 2 with 1 first of all. And in each group, you already see that in each group, I will keep 2 sticks, okay? How many sticks in each group? 2 sticks. So, let's start our table. 2 ones are 2. Means you have 2 sticks. 2 ones are 2. And in your table, you will write 2 ones are 2. Okay? Okay, next group, we will move on the next group. 2 twos are. So, how many sticks altogether in group 2? First of all, I will keep these sticks in group 2 with an okay. That add with all these sticks all together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sticks here now? 4 sticks. So it's mean 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. And we will write in our table 2 twos are 4. Okay? Okay, what will be the group of 3? We will move here now and we will keep our sticks here now. We will add these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sticks here now? 6 sticks. So it's mean 2 threes are 6. How many sticks altogether? 6 sticks here now. Okay. Okay, we will write in our table 2 threes are 6. Okay, we will move on our group 2, group 4. 2 fours are. 2 fours are. How many sticks here now? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 fours are 8. In group 4 and 2 fours are 8. So we will write 2 fours are 8. Okay, students. But what will we do in our board or with ice cream sticks? We will add these popsicles or sticks in a group, 2 pairs. Okay, so let's move. 2 fives are. 2 fives are. Okay, if I go for another group, means 5th group. So now count with me. How many sticks altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in group 5, when we will multiply or we will add all sticks together, so it will make 2 5s are 10. Now we will write on our table 2 5s are 10. Okay, now we will move on our group number 6. Okay, I will keep all these sticks and keep on the group number 6. Let's count. Okay. Yes. Okay, 2 6 are. How many sticks altogether in group 6? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 6 are 12. Okay. Let's move on the group number 7. We will write in our table 2 6 are 12 here now. Okay. Have you seen? Yes. Okay, 2 7s are. We will add all these sticks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many sticks in group number 7? 14. So 2 7s are 14. We will write in our table 2 7s are 14. Let's move on group 8. Yes, we will also move on sticks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay, we will write on our table 2 8s are 16. Okay, let's move on the group number 9. We will add these sticks all together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 2 9s are 18. In group number 9, how many sticks altogether? 18 sticks. Okay, so we will write here now 2 9s are 18. At last, when we will go on group number 10, so we will add all these sticks all together and then we will write how many sticks all together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. How many sticks in group number 10? 20. So we will write on our table 2 10s are 20. Okay students, you have seen that I have used popsicle sticks. So you can do this activity at your home with your if you have popsicle sticks, so good. If you don't have these sticks, so you will use your pencils and you will do this activity with full of fun with your parents, with your siblings, and can learn the table of 2. Okay, you have anything what you have available easily. This is the way that telling you the multiply, that how we are dividing the same number of, okay, so okay, same number into different groups. Okay students, I hope you over enjoy in this class, and you should keep practicing at your home with your candies, with beads, with pencils, and then learn table of 2. Not only table of 2, table of 3 also. 4, 5 you will add same number. We will in this class we also learned about 2, so we will made the group of 2. So if you will do the table of 3, so you will add 3 3. Okay, inshallah. We will see inshallah very soon. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.